Hey guys, so welcome back. So I'm in the bed procrastinating because my room is a mess and I need to clean it up. But I don't feel like it because I'm gonna be here all night. Let me show you guys what I did to my room. Okay. So there's the bed full of laundry. You guys know I'm not a fan of laundry. Have laundry over here. I have this bookcase in here. I have this dresser right here with more laundry, another bookcase, more laundry, and I don't know what this crap is. This is just storage stuff. I need to clean up. And more laundry. This is dirty laundry. I need to put it in the wash actually. And I have to get a new hamper because I can't just have my laundry like that. But yeah, that's been my situation. But yeah. This is okay, let me explain to you guys what's going on. So, these two shelving units and this dresser was in this closet. This is like the spare closet. But we took out this dresser from the kids' room because it's too big. So yeah, we just went ahead and put the dresser in here because we needed more storage space in here for like some of my husband's clothes, my clothes. Yeah, this is just the overflow closet. But yeah, so we took these units out in this dresser and I need to figure out what to do with them. So yeah, I'm probably just gonna put them in the garage. Well, put these units in the garage, and this can go. This can probably go in the hallway. I'm not sure yet, but I need to empty it out because I have like workout clothes and stuff inside and I need to put them in the closet. So that's what I have going on right now. And I have a ladder in here. Why? Because I had to remove the battery from my detector. It was beeping. I need to go and replace the battery, but I need to go and buy some new batteries. So yeah, I'm gonna turn on my TV shows because when I'm cleaning inside of my room, I like to watch TV. It's probably gonna be somewhat of a distraction and it's probably gonna take me longer to clean while I'm watching TV. I mean, I could turn on some music, but I don't feel like listening to music right now. I just want to watch TV. I have a lot of TV shows I need to catch up on. You know, maybe I should do a video about the TV shows that I'm binge watching because that's what I like to do. I don't like to watch, you know, shows week by week. I can't do that because if the episode is really good, I'm not gonna want to wait an entire week for the next episode. So I just let the entire season play and then I binge watch it. Let me shut up because I'm going all off on something else and I need to start cleaning. So before I start cleaning, because I'm gonna be in there all night, I need to get my drink. I'm drinking on this Kavita. This is so good. It has probiotics in it, really good for your gut. But yeah, I'm gonna put it in this stainless steel bottle that I have because it needs to stay cold. And I was gifted this from the company. You can find this on Amazon, but the company that sent me this is called Lennox. And it also comes with like this strainer. So if you're doing like loose tea, then you can just put everything inside. Pop the strainer on. I like that this comes with a strap too because I don't always like to hold it. Although it's not like you're going to feel the heat or the cold if you're just holding it. But it's nice that it also has a strap. So when I'm like out and about and I don't want to hold it, I can just put it on my wrist. So yep, this is going to be great for the gym, just running errands. And this is a 25 ounce and it actually keeps your cold drinks cold for 24 hours and hot drinks hot for 12 hours. Let's go clean. I really don't feel like cleaning, honestly. I really don't because this is going to take me all night to do. But it has to get done because I can't sleep in this room messy like this.
Not sure I'm ever surprised. that you know it, 'cause you already messed it up. I know that you know it, 'cause you already messed it up. I think you're addicted to drama. It keeps you sleeping at night. Keep losing your shit on my problems. You know that something ain't right. Blaming me for causing your insanity. I'm pretty sure you're born like this. Talk before you think it's your original touch, but I guess it kinda works on you. You got me paper thin, doing concrete face, diving romance in the madness. You got me good, baby, keep on coming back to you. I know that you know it, 'cause you already messed it up.
This has been a fail, guys. This has been an epic fail because let me just show you guys. Okay, so I was cleaning, and I didn't do all of this in one day. It took me a couple of days because I just have so much going on in the house. So I did clean the bedside tables, as you can see. I made the bed as well, but I'm putting together outfits. So I have all of these clothes on here. I also have this serving table that I need to open up and take out because I'm gonna keep this in my room whenever I'm doing like meals in bed. And the company is Perfect Life Ideas. You can find this on Amazon, guys, so I will have it linked in the description box. And I did collaborate with the company for this video, so I do want to thank them for the collaboration. I definitely needed something like this because I am always like eating in bed because I like to eat and watch TV. So this is what it looks like. I love that I have different compartments on it, so you can put your drinks here and sit your plate right in here. I really do like that. And you do just pop the legs out. Let me show you guys. So it's really lightweight, and that's great because I definitely don't want anything heavy. So this is going to be perfect just to keep on the side of the bed and just pull it out whenever I need it. This is also great for a guest room, so yeah, definitely check them out. I will definitely be using this tonight because when I'm done putting together outfits, I'm gonna chill, give me something to eat, continue to watch my TV shows, and just relax for the rest of the night. But this shelving units I had to bring back into the room because I had it out in the hallway. And let me show you guys my hallway. Don't judge me. So let me turn on the lights so you guys can see. All right, so this is what my hallway is looking like right now because I have all of the toys, in the hallway. I had them in the kids' room, but I redid the room and I'm not going to be putting any toys back in there. This room is actually going to become a playroom for them. So in about a few days, I will be putting all of these toys in that room. But right now, everything is just like out here. But yeah. So I had to bring these back in here because it was taking up too much space in the hallway. But yeah, this stuff is going to be going in the kids' playroom as well, these shelving units. Okay, so let me explain exactly what happened. So I was cleaning the room. I was nearly finished. And then I had to stop and tend to something. I always have to stop when I'm cleaning and tend to stuff. More than likely, I had to feed the kids or get them ready for bed or something. Who knows? So I didn't bother to finish cleaning because my battery was dying anyways. So I figured, you know what? Let me just put it on the charger. I'll come back to it. And of course that didn't happen because the next day I decided to go ahead and take everything out of the kids' room so I can, revamp the room. And you guys know I am in the process of giving the kids a room makeover, but I do need to go and find some different wall art because I don't like the pictures that I purchased, like those elephant pictures that I showed you guys in like a previous haul video. I don't really like those pictures. I don't like the way it looks with the rest of the room. So I need to go out and find something different. But if you're new to my channel, if this is like your first video, then yeah, I'm in the process of giving the kids a room makeover. I took all of the toys out of the room and it's just a mess right now. The house is a complete mess. But next week things are going to be, different. Things are going to be changing next week, so I will have that room available that I just showed you guys. And I know it's not that bad. I just have clothes that I still need to put away, and when I take these units out and that dresser, then you know things will get back to normal. I can finish cleaning and just wiping stuff down, at least this side of the room, because this side is pretty much done. So I need to come and wipe the dresser off, and this one as well, take the ladder down that I still have yet to do. So this is my situation right now, and I wasn't going to upload this video honestly, but I figured, you know what, let me just show you guys the struggle, because sometimes it can be a struggle when trying to clean, especially when you have a lot to clean and it takes you days just to finish like one room, which is my case right now because it was so crowded with stuff. But it is what it is. You know, I'm not really gonna stress about it because this is real life and things can get messy. So until we make these changes with the rooms, then this is just what my place is looking like. But yeah, that's that. And at least half the room is clean, right? This half that you guys see right here. Yep, all of that is clean. So I could take a picture and you would think I have like this really clean room until you turn the camera around. I'm debating on what I want to do right now. Should I steam those clothes over there or finish putting outfits together? I think I'm going to just give me something to eat because I am really hungry. And then I'll tend to the clothes. Yeah, that's what I'm going to do. So I'm just going to end this video right here. I know this is something so different from what you're used to seeing when it comes to my cleaning videos, but I figured why not just go ahead and share this failed attempt at cleaning, because it happens to me all the time, honestly. Like, I'll start cleaning and something will take me away from it and I can never just get back to it, or I'll completely clean the room and within like a day or two it'll just be a complete mess again, especially like my family room. If I clean my family room in the morning, by the end of the night, it's gonna look like a hurricane hit because the kids, like, they play in there, they have toys in the, in the family room, or like the bedroom, which is why I decided to go ahead and just give them a playroom so all of the toys can be in one area instead of in the bedroom and in the family room. And I want to just apologize if I didn't motivate you guys in this video. I know you see clean with me and you're like, yes, clean and motivation. Sorry, that's not the case today, but I just wanted to share some realness with you guys because I just love sharing like real life situations, and this is definitely one of them. So, my next cleaning video is going to be more motivating, but I just wanted to share a fail with you all because it happens to me all of the time, and I just start recording so many videos, and if I don't finish, I'll just like delete the footage because I'm like, well, what's the point of sharing that? I didn't finish, or whatever the case may be. So that's gonna be it for this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed watching. If you did, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed, I would love it if you do so. That'll be so awesome. So yeah, I'm gonna go and get me something to eat. I'm always talking about getting me something to eat at the end of my videos, but cleaning makes me really hungry. So yeah, I'm gonna go do that, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.
Has anybody seen this child? He's 4 feet tall, he's got wavy brown hair, he's got brown eyes.
He's a 5-year-old, he's about 4 feet tall.
Excuse me, Eric, stop walking! Has anybody seen this kid?